Doctor. Tell me your name and where you're from.
My name's Dr. Jessie, and I'm from Newport Beach, California.
And did you hear that, folks? She said, Dr. Jessie. Look how sexy this doctor is. So, tell me, Jessie, I know I've seen you at the Dog Gardens.
Yes,
you know, and now here you are in LA.
Yes.
What would you say is gravitating towards your, as you're honing in the experience and the teachings, what is saying, oh my gosh, I want to use this in my chiropractic practice, I want to use this in my healing practice, and I know I've got some juice. What would you say is the most?
Well, I'm a chiropractor, and I've also been practicing yoga, and I've been teaching yoga for about 5 years now. So I think I was kind of open to, you know, something bigger than us. And the thing I love about Qi Gong and learning from Mantak Chia is how I can empower my patients, because I'm all about education and teaching people the right tools, because they spend a few minutes with me in my office and I can only do so much. So I'm looking for tools that I can give people in their own self-care. And what I love about learning from Master Chia is the simplicity of it, that you can start now, and just that you should always be practicing. Like when you look at you know, you look at these plants or something and you want to try to take in their green energy, and this like kind of going back and forth, I just think it's really harmonizing, and it's just, I think it's, people are gonna, I want to give it to people more.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
And would you say, in your own process, how has it helped you grow as an individual?
Well, I really love the introspection, and just that, and the self-love and the permission to practice the inner smile. The inner smile has really helped me a lot, and just connecting with people and kind of honoring your truth, because you're looking inside and you're just, you know, so it's really helped me in that way. And also different forms of meditation. I love when Master Chia says energy meditation, because we're not just trying to sit here and clear our mind that's so mind focused. I love the feeling that we're sitting here to try to connect, and that to me has just been like, it's just totally different from even just yoga. I mean, I was practicing yoga and meditating for years, and this was instantly, I felt something different, like a charge.
And it's wonderful how this practice can be integrated to all of the other healing endeavors, such as yoga and mindfulness and meditation. It's so much of meditation, actually. Isn't it?
And hands. I love, like, my hands feel.
And the chi generating everywhere, buzzing. You know, Master Chia talks about that mesmerizing eyes that happens, you know, when we start to buzz with all this chi energy.
Yeah, you feel it when you connect, and you can, there's that moment, you know.
It's like,
so,
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Solla.